Did you know that the Mi 9T Pro camera supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second? The 4K 60 frames per second videos shot by Mi 9T Pro have a resolution of 3,840 pixels by 2,160 lines and can play at 60 frames per second. This means the video quality will be significantly sharper and smoother when compared with phones that shoot 30 frames per second with 1080p or 720p video resolution. The powerful ISP with the Snapdragon 855 and 48 megapixel ultra high resolution IMX sensor allows the Mi 9T Pro to easily shoot and process 4K 60 frames per second videos. Try playing a 60 frames per second video at 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second, and you can create a smooth slow motion video. Compare it to a 30 frames per second video. A 60 frames per second video provides many more opportunities to unleash your creativity during post-editing. Create fun and exciting videos with the Mi 9T Pro 4K 60 frames per second feature. The sky's the limit.